In this video, I'm going to show you how to print timesheets in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Reports over here on the left, and then you want to click on Itemize Total Time. Now, when you do that over here, you basically are going to be able to set these filters, so you can select your report dates, like I'm going to do by week over here, and then this week here. You can select your team members, your groups or team members, and then some filters over here as well. Whenever you do that, click on the Run Report, and as you can see, you're basically going to be given a report which you can now print. So if you want to print this specific report, you can either download it as a CSV or of course click on Print Report. So it's going to open up like this in yet a separate tab over here, and then whenever this loads, you can right click anywhere, click on Print, select your printer over here, and you can just print this report over here. Okay, that's the first way to do it. However, if you want the actual timesheets, click on View Timesheets over here, and it's going to show you the timesheets, and up top here it's going to say Open as PDF. You can click on that as well, and when you open it as a PDF, you can now hit the print button top right, and from here you can again print these timesheets over here as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.